What's up, Po Boys Garage? We're here in beautiful Shreveport, Louisiana, headed to the World of Wheels car show. Bring y'all along for the ride. Downtown Shreveport, Louisiana. We're at the Shreveport Convention Center. And I ain't been on an escalator in 20 years. That's crazy. We're getting ready to go in. See y'all on the inside. Y'all check this out right inside the front door. Batmobile.
That's a for real candy. I can't get no closer than that either.
Yeah, I know.
Before I leave, I'm jumping in that. In that Batmobile. Look, y'all. Right before we get ready to go, I'm jumping in that son of a bitch, and somebody got to take some pictures for the police grab it.
Yeah, they're not gonna let you.
If I do it real fast.
Oh, look, I got it.
That is awesome. Man. I wonder what it's based off of.
Okay, you can see underneath.
No, if he done found a Mustang. Was a 64 Impala.
He's looking for a Mustang.
He done found one right there. Well, we need to get a road going, not just be running all those zigzags.
There's one.
Hoopty. Look at that little tinker tank thing they got in there, y'all. I'm sorry for all my Ford fans. Hey, y'all. Look. Let's get a
road.
Yeah, let's start on the first road and zigzag our way through.
Yeah. Right. Right.
I'm gonna get sidetracked and start looking at this stuff.
Look what it had. Anti-theft, activator, bat deflector, bat laser.
Huh? I know I'm gonna get there. Just so you gotta get to 20 and start.
Start over here.
I'm gonna look at all that on the way back. I see a Hot Wheels. Go. Yeah, sure is. Look. It's a gear shifter.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. How's it going?
Hi.
Yep.
Oh, a little mattress bottle. I need that. I need that.
Man, this is beautiful. Chevelle.
Huh?
Chevelle. 502 turbo jet. Oh my God, that's beautiful. 67.
How are you? Is yours? Yes, sir.
Beautiful car.
Appreciate y'all's service, man. One of my favorites of all time. That's what I was telling him about. When I saw y'all walking around.
Okay, guys, we're over at the pro wrestling booth. We got celebrities over here. We got Buck Bagwell, NWO. We got all the guys over here. Come see them. You can have your picture made with them, and it'll be printed right here. $10. What did you say? $10? What a deal! It must be something, you know. Build back better, I guess. Come on. Come on.
Oh, hell yeah.
$20. You got 8x10 with it.
Well, I'm gonna look what I done found.
Come see the wrestler.
Hot Wheels, a hot rod.
Print it out right
5 for 15.
She got the money back. Come see her, get in line.
I knew there'd be a Hot Wheel booth here. Is that the Porsche? Yep, I gotta have that one. Yep, I've been looking for that one. Look for a yellow El Camino.
Oh. Ask him if he has. He probably knows.
Is this your booth, sir?
Yes.
This your booth? All these are 5 for 15?
5 for 15.
All the Hot Wheels.
All those down there, here, there.
All right.
Thanks so much.
All right.
We're going to do a Q&A too. If anybody got any questions,
There's a
they like to
Volkswagen bus.
ask her.
Excuse me.
Van.
Yeah.
Is that going to be it? Or you still going to get two more? Okay, sure.
There's a golden car up there.
Well,
Trying to multitask it if we are strong.
that's cool.
Okay, guys. What's your name, buddy? Craig. We got Craig here. Are you from right here in Louisiana? Yes, sir.
Oh, look, the Mario Kart.
Craig has a question for Buff Bagwell, right? Is that who you want to ask the question?
Building all day long with nothing to do. So it's just getting prepared for television. So that's like a TV day, but no matter what, my life and a wrestler's life is filled with how we looked. The better we looked, the better we got
I
paid.
know it.
Or the better we wrestled, the better we
I'm
got
gonna look
paid.
at all of them
If you
too.
can do both of those,
They got
you got
paid.
paid the most. So the rock is how I like to judge it.
They got
If you look
peanut butter
good, you got paid a certain amount. If you were fantastic at wrestling, you got paid a certain amount. When you got both,
Get those going on.
and I think the rock's the best. So
Which one?
that's how I judge it. It's a very selfish lifestyle. I mean,
Peanut butter,
I eat a
yes.
certain way, a certain amount of food every day. I've got to tan, I've got to train. It was a very busy schedule, but it paid very good, and we made a good living doing it. But it was yearly, daily, hourly.
Check it out.
You want to ask any questions, or you want to meet the wrestlers?
That's cool.
Yeah.
The monster truck.
Hey, you're in the group Alabama, right? You look just like her, yeah.
Man.
What was tougher, being a boxer or a wrestler?
Yeah. I feel like I should get
It's all wooden on the inside.
What was tougher? So, just like everybody here, when I first got into wrestling, I thought wrestling was fake. That's what they told me. That's exactly what I thought. I know, don't say that word, but I did. I get in the locker room, my very first match, I'm wrestling a maiden named Tracy Smothers. I'm from a little town, I thought it was a woman's name. And I was like, I'm wrestling a chick. I was like, what are they trying to do? Get rid of me? So I was saying it out loud, just like I'm saying it right now. I was like, I'm wrestling a chick. I'm like telling everybody. But when Tracy got there, he'd already heard that I called him a chick. But Tracy's wrestled 3
Look at that supercharge, yeah.
3. I didn't know that. Google wasn't out yet. You know, so yeah, that wasn't fake.
Right.
So when he shakes my hand, I'm Tracy Smothers. Oh my God. I guess
One of
that
those
could be
right there.
a universal name, you know?
Yeah.
So there's no apologizing at this point. You know, if I have to walk out there and do my job, which
And one of those.
my job was that much, I used to get my butt kicked. So as soon as we locked up, he punched me square in the face with
Wow,
no gloves on. Broke my nose, threw me over the top rope, couldn't see, I lawn darted to the floor, and I realized that wrestling's a lot harder. I still do today.
I can tell my wife ain't really into it.
27 years I've been in wrestling. I never had a broken neck in all the years that I boxed. So, wrestling's the way on compared to boxing.
Yeah. And check out that nose.
Yeah.
Check out that profile.
Tumbler seat.
Handsome Chase. Anyway, anybody else got a question?
No, that's not Dukes of Hazzard. That's a Camaro. Dukes of Hazzard is a Charger. Looks like old ZZ Top car, almost.
Yeah, sign it for it. Yeah, we got a victim. We got one victim. Anybody else? You want to ask another question? Oh, yeah, that's another. Who's this one for? I want to ask a question to Alex. How did you get into professional wrestling?
Well, I grew up here at Bossier City.
Hey, man, take.
I was a big fan of Mid-South at about the age of 14, 15, and went down to Archie Hills, watched some of the Mid-South guys come in.
No, I sound like a Cadillac or something, brother. Would you drive that one?
One of my
Said she drive that one, folks.
connections with the Midnight Express to Cornette, and I met Cornette a couple times, just saying hello to him. And
That one too.
1 year at
I guarantee you there ain't nothing in here I won't drive.
That's it.
and he said, just keep wrestling in high school.
Earbags on the back of it.
Get out.
That's parachutes, baby, not airbags.
I mean, yeah, parachute.
Check that one out.
Just kind
You
of
drive that one?
Yeah.
right place at the right time, meeting the right people.
Look up underneath it. Wow.
It's
And
beautiful.
train.
Oh my God, look at the chrome wire. It says old. Look right there where it says old pan.
Okay.
It has an old derrick on there.
Anybody?
The old.
Yeah.
It has an old derrick.
I'll see what it
Are y'all
says.
having fun yet today?
His name, maybe.
That's
So are you having fun? Okay. So over here again, you can have your picture made $10. You can have it with
yeah.
Bub.
Look at that.
You can have it with Chase, Cassidy Riley, folks. Give it up for Bub, or the Nature Boy. Okay. So get your pictures and come on up. We sign them. And if you want to talk wrestling, any other questions, 3 o'clock we're going to live wrestling.
Oh, there's the concessions way over there.
Oh, blue oil is
How
what
about
it says.
Cowboys?
Blue
I'll
oil.
see y'all. What are you thinking? You want to ask a question? No, sir.
I know it's a Ford, yeah, but
Jacob, give it up for Jacob.
Yeah.
Boy, looks like a cowboy over here. Hey, did you like your picture? Look at that, man. 2 of them.
really got a little setup here.
You want to ask something?
What in the hell is on that hamburger?
What was your favorite match?
What was your favorite match?
Firebird and GTO.
I wrestled for 11 years with WCW, and during that time,
I done missed that whole
I've
time.
been asked that question a lot, and it's really, really hard to answer. But I think not maybe the best match I've ever had, but the most proud I ever was I beat Ric Flair on a Monday Night Nitro, and you know, beating the Nature Boy is not easy.
That's in a little bit better shape than mine was, y'all.
I don't think nobody's ever seen him lose. I know when I got to the locker room, Lex Luger goes,
Oh, yeah.
congratulations.
We got to go over here and look at Bandit real quick.
What he goes, congratulations for doing something I couldn't do for 12 years. I go, what he goes, you beat Ric Flair. And I went,
Is that a Supra?
Lex Luger had never beaten Ric Flair before, so I was like, you got to be
This
kidding.
guy.
So I think the proudest and best match would have to be when I beat Ric Flair. But NWO, that whole time, man, it's just a lot of great matches, a lot of fun.
Oh, is
You
it?
beat Ric Flair is very memorable. Good question, buddy.
Good. Now, in case you don't know, there was only 2 wrestlers that was from the beginning of WCW to the end of WCW. Who was?
Yeah, I won a couple of trophies on that one.
Marcus Buck Bagwell.
Yeah. Matter of fact, this last match is tomorrow. Is it tomorrow?
Wow, look at this thing.
AEW. Give them a cheap look there. But yeah,
Look at this thing here, yeah.
beginning to the end of WCW. So a little bit of
The Disney Corvette.
Anybody else want to ask something? Anybody? I'll go over here. You want to say something?
The Evil Queen, it
I've seen
says.
that. I like that. The Evil Queen car.
That's neat.
I wrestled with my
Bad
sister.
girls are more fun. That's what it said on the car.
Thank you.
We in the rice burner section now. Oh, it's a skyline. Look at skyline.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. Boom.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
I'd like to be here tomorrow evening whenever they're leaving.
They've been wandering down here. Oh.
I think I sent you the name before.
Look at that whistle maker.
Have you wrestled Ric Flair? And when you did, how was that match?
Well, good.
Hey, got fortune cookies out there.
I've been in business 42 years. I'm the only guy Ric Flair endorsed as an ex-nature boy. But I never wrestled Rick. No, I've never wrestled. He only managed me. He managed me, but never wrestled me. He said that I was going to be his last match, and they couldn't work out the the one where he had.
I think he likes fortune cookies, yeah.
It's supposed to be me and Rick, but there was some.
Let's go.
Yeah, and this didn't come to play. But very good question. Anybody else? Anybody else want to ask?
Yeah, our straight line ideas went to shit, y'all. Look, my wife's interested. Gotta love it.
Hey guys, this is an example. If you keep drinking them energy drinks, see what happens? Yes.
Oh my goodness.
They need to put it on the way.
He says we're lucky to see this paint.
That's an awesome paint job, man. Got a little YouTube channel I'm gonna put it on.
Woo! Yeah, because I became the nature bro that night.
That's
Can you
awesome.
believe it?
What's the paint
All
called?
right, this is fun.
Rhythm and blues.
Rhythm and Blues.
We're gonna go with Chase.
That's neat.
What was your favorite match in
We
TNA?
did all of it in 5 months.
There you go.
I love how
You remember?
That's all you did for 5 months too, wasn't it?
yeah, he said it was lots and lots
I
of
bet.
Man,
Man, that is beautiful.
yeah, let's go. My favorite match.
Have a good one, man. Badass car.
Quite a few, but my most memorable match was the last match with Chris Bandito. when he was
NASCAR.
So we won the World Tag Team titles that night.
You drive that one?
Chris broke his ankle. We had surgery Sunday, pay-per-view, broke his ankle. Monday, we had emergency surgery. Tuesday, we come back to live TV. Chris is on crutches.
Now give me a hat.
We was in actually a wheelchair.
Yeah, you
We couldn't fit him up the backside of the ring. We had to find crutches for him, but we was in Universal Studios, so there's 900 people.
We got all kinds of stuff over here.
So
I didn't see that.
here to look at.
got him some crutches. We got him out there. He ended up flipping the. So we were losing. He got in the ring, flipped it over. We ended up winning the World Tag Team titles.
Casey Raleigh here. Tell them how you got into business. Casey Chris Cassidy Raleigh.
We'll get it right. It's a good call, main roast. How did I get into business? Is that the question? I grew up here in Louisiana as well. 5'11". At that time, I was lucky.
They're having a session over there.
I know, but I'm going right here
And
for that.
all three of us, Terry Taylor came over to Bobby Griffin, who was the guy that was running the promotion, and said, I don't know about the two big guys, but he's got something I would definitely stick with him. And so I just continued training.
Ace and myself and a
3 o'clock.
couple of other wrestlers from all league. We've all got pictures.
What time is it?
I got
I
action
don't know. What are you
figures.
on?
We took
I'm
pictures
videoing.
of everyone. We got several different 8x10s, and we're just here to talk and shake hands and say hello to everybody. But you guys, look at these beautiful cars. So glad to be here, and thanks a lot for listening.
Chris Brown, we need one of them for the
3 o'clock,
track.
It was going to be live wrestling.
Thank you.
Boss said if you guys buy one of my pictures, he'll give one of his away for free. So I thank you guys for coming out.
I got my tins and t-shirts over there on sale today. If you buy one at regular price, you get another one at regular price. Take advantage of that deal. Yeah, only today. Anyway, anybody else have any questions or? Yes. I got the Randy from.
My career was what I was shot out to be Rookie of the Year and World Tag Team Champion 5 times and 4 partners. And
Got a lot of Corvettes up here.
the ultimate thing happened that nobody really saw coming, which was the WWF bought the WCW, and a lot of things changed. And, that's out of my hands, that part. But really, I would do nothing different. I had a great career and did it very well, and I love wrestling.
I ain't never been need to come check them out.
Anytime you see me
More
interact
Corvettes than
with any
anything.
I know there's a lot of Corvettes.
I'm not just talking to them to
That's
talk.
how you know
I'm
that's a
talking
good
because
car.
I care. I engage, and that's what Chase does. Everybody here does. We actually care about a person, about the people that are talking to us. So it's much more than a handshake to us. We care, and that's why we're here. We're very people persons, and we just love people. So we want you guys to have a great time. We're just glad you're all here, man. Thank you.
I know it's hard to hear me in here.
That was it right there.
They're one of my favorites right there. Look.
Drop right there. Like, I appreciate it. Like, seriously, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Like, you are the reason that we are here. Like, there wasn't wrestling fans, we wouldn't be up here right now. So I can't. I literally.
We had one of those.
A can?
I said we had one of those.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know what else you can add to that. I'm with Buff on a lot of stuff. I'm not sure if I would do a lot of stuff different. Of course, you would always hope for better outcomes in certain situations, but you know, getting to hang out with guys like Marcus and Chase, and
that's the same
people
color.
I idolized as a kid, like the Rock and Roll Express and the One Day Gang, and actually becoming friends.
Check this thing out. Wow.
You know, it's a dream come true. This was a dream job. It always has been a dream job for us. And we love doing it, and we love the fans. So I'm sure there's some things I would do different, but overall, you know, it's been a very satisfying career, and I've loved every bit of it.
Yeah, I just piggyback off all that, guys. And then, 10 years full time doing Japan, Southern tours.
Oh, I bet that thing is bad.
97, I was very, very blessed. And that's a hard
Street legal, it says.
And I'm in every
Street legal. I don't know. Not in Bossier Parish, I don't believe. You drive that down Airline Drive, see what happens. Here, we're missing.
Okay, guys. Well,
I've seen that car on
appreciate y'all for the questions and all. If you want to see
I've seen this one on TV too. It's a Hot Wheels.
Ask a few people, who's your favorite wrestler? Your favorite wrestler?
I don't have one.
Would you drive that one?
How about you, young man?
Huh? You drive that one?
Cody Rhodes.
Said she drive that one, people.
All right, yeah. How about you? Rock. We got The Rock and Cody Rhodes. That sounds like a match, you know what I'm saying? How about you, buddy? John Cena. John Cena. I didn't see that coming.
Yeah, look at all the freaking nice balls.
How about you?
This is gonna blow up.
Hogan over here, yeah. How about over here?
On the dash.
Oh my God.
Husband, hey, this was late, the announcement, right? How about you?
That's cool, y'all.
Two Codys. We got two Codys in the house.
Look, and the winder's steadily winding.
Cody Rhodes. Another Cody Rhodes, yeah.
Look at the little, look. Those are motorcycle bikes that fall through the door handle.
So anyway, guys, remember, wrestling is a dream. If it's something you want to do, keep going after it.
I don't know. I love that one.
Oh, look.
Badass.
Of course. No, ain't one-sided, huh? How about you?
There's that Chevrolet truck again, y'all. That thing is beautiful. Man, I think that might be my favorite one so far.
Space, no, that's candy bars, and what are they?
After the 12. Man size.
He wants your shoes.
Okay, guys, we got the autographs up here. Come on in, brother.
We drive that every day, I bet.
Anything you like. How you doing? Yeah. Okay, wrestling about ready to begin, folks. If you want to watch wrestling, just come in and get in this area. Come up close for everybody.
We're going to miss the wrestling.
Come up close to the rails. Only $10 admission. No,
Let's go see.
that was a real.
We're going to watch wrestling, y'all.
We got Peyton Lee over here, folks. He wrote this book.
There it come over here.
He had kidney failure.
What time is it?
And he went blind, and now he's on dialysis. So he's selling this book to help with his transplant process. So if you're interested, just come over here and see baby. Yeah. Hey,
Well, I guess we'll go down this way, I guess.
3 o'clock.
Okay, are we ready to get the wrestling going? Man, this is...
Look at that. Man. Wow. I see a big old soft pretzel with my name on it. Is that where we're going? Thought we was going to wrestling. Let's go to wrestling.
I like that. That right there?
That's too much for you, woman. Damn, my shoulder started hurting. Oh. That is neat. Can't remember who built that, but I seen it on TV. It's got like a Cummins in it, like a diesel engine. Oh, Harley. I think your son might have abandoned us.
It says Mustang on the front.
Saint scooter.
There's another Mustang that says.
There's another Mustang.
I wonder why.
Man, the Chevrolet's beautiful. Oh, Camaro.
You want to go see the rat?
Ooh. Yeah, Chris. 78 model. That's close to yours, Chris Brown. Keep getting dirty looks.
His name is Anthony too.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Him too. Watch it. Still taking video.
There's plenty of that. Huh? Come on. I ain't touching nothing. Yeah, hooked you over here.
Yeah, that one's, I don't like that one.
What is the GTH?
I don't know. You ain't touching that.
I imagine it probably.
I
$100,000 car.
More Corvettes than anything.
Yeah, there's a shit ton of Corvettes.
Corvettes on those.
Yeah, it is. Dang, there's a whole row up the middle.
Yeah, that middle row is nothing but Corvettes.
I'm going to this outside row now.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, the Jack Daniels.
Whiskey.
Look at that blue paint. Look at that blue paint.
Oh, that's pretty too. Love that. I love that glitter paint.
I don't like these.
What?
This is a Nissan.
Yeah, this is a Nissan 370 or 350.
I bet that'll
look at the baby
get that
blue.
Mustang run for his money.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Ooh, that baby blue glitter is pretty too. What is that anyway?
The 240ZX, ain't it? Or 240ZX, ain't that what it is? Oh, 370. Hell, I can't keep up with it. Rat paint. Damn dads. Oh. There you go, Andrew. That's for sale. Yeah, it's for sale.
For how much? Way too much. Way too much.
Look, it's got seats out like a mid-90s conversion van.
Yeah.
Or a Chevy Heartbeat or something like that. Oh. Oh, it's all of yours,
Putting it together, yeah. I guess.
Yeah, it's my opinion. It looked better right there. I think they'll give me a pretzel. Yeah, I know. Seen that on TV before. It's got like a Cummins in it. Diesel engine. Got that?
Keyboard on the back of it.
Sure does. There. Give something drinking a soft pretzel, baby. Get much traction on them. I give it to my son. That's pretty cool. Tell him he's in the video on you talking to him on the phone in the video right now. Logan, why ain't you here?
Oh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, I don't even see that color.
I know, that's what I'm saying. We ain't even been down that aisle yet.
Like rainbow.
We didn't even come down this damn aisle. Man, I paid all this money. Don't see half the cars.
Have any trouble. We can get out of here and get back home and.
Beautiful. Hey, you seen that little red car right there for sale, huh?
Yeah.
That's Roxanne all day right there. Yeah.
20 miles an hour, max speed.
No, them little things roll.
Got it.
I mean, it ain't no 5.0 Mustang or nothing, but it'll get it. Only if I can paint it to look like your butt. Oh.
Look, I think it's Pro Charge.
Oh, it is Pro Charge. It's a Grand National, sir.
Oh, they come Pro Charge?
Yeah, that's factory.
I didn't know that.
Is it Pro or Turbo?
I think that's Pro Charge.
Yeah. No, Turbo.
Turbo Charger.
I don't know why you threw me off with the Pro Charger.
Because the Pro Charger works.
But yeah, that is like redunculous fast. Oh, what they look at. Keychains. That is beautiful. So is that. So is that, and that, and that, hell, even that. Check this thing out, y'all. Alright, po' boys, we could build something like this. I mean, dang. It's all square, straight edges. What platform it is? I guess a G. Out of Stonewall, local fellas. And it says Chevrolet on the back. It's got a Chevy motor. Wonder what kind of frame it is. Anybody know? Y'all comment it down there. Teach a fella something. It's got old school Chevy small block in it. For the life of me, tell what platform it's built on, though. Yeah, teach a fella something. Look at this thing. Man. That is ridiculous clean. That is cool, y'all. That's really cool. Alright, folks, we headed out. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.